As you walk around Crowcon, you'll see many references to Crowcon excellence, and I want to give my explanation of what Crowcon excellence means to me and what I think it means to you. To me, excellence is not just about having the best designed and the best quality product, it's also about giving our customers the best buying experience. When I joined Crowcon, I came with a vision, and that vision was to make Crowcon the easiest company that our customers deal with. We have made some great improvements in how we deal with customers, and hopefully you'll start seeing those improvements as you deal with us in the future.
Simon, what do we do to achieve Crowcon excellence within logistics?
We supply production with order Kanbans, we make sure we get quality products back, and we ship our orders on time to all the customers. Jen, what do you think?
We aim to get our orders out to dispatch on time and in full to achieve customer satisfaction.
That's good, because it ties in with the logical factory layout we've put in downstairs to improve the efficiencies and output.
Hi Brenda, you've got a problem?
Yes, I've got an order here, 2. Customer requires 2 gas, and the label hasn't printed anything.
It appears that you've got an entry in the configurator that doesn't exist in the defaults on the database, so I think I'll have to go and check them.
The workplace organisation techniques such as 5S and visual management are in place. The manner in which the shop floor is now configured allows us to be more flexible to deal with the change in customers' demand.
Excellent result yesterday, we hit target. On-time delivery is excellent at 98%. Make sure we feed that back to the teams. There's a good result.
We experienced some minor problems with sensors over the last probably 3 or 4 weeks.
Is that on all sensors?
Yeah, mainly CH4.
Okay, fair enough.
It's a failing on the game at calibration stage.
But not everyone?
Not on every single one, no.
It's probably one of 3 things. We've either used the incorrect data from the manufacturer, so missing the defaults when we're setting the cal levels, or we've incorrectly set the cal levels, or we've got the jigs wrong. So I think one of the other things to check is that we've got the right register values on the back of the jigs to make sure they're soaking for the right amount of time.
Yeah, sure.
I just want to say that on the shop floor, your voice and ideas have been really positive feedback.
Good.
And everybody now, you can see that, that everybody wants to participate.
Each day the LSE team will do a walk at 8 o'clock in the morning, and the idea behind that walk is to walk around and look at every single whiteboard in production and all the comments that the operators have written.
Can I have a gas probe part configured, please?
Yeah, no problem.
Right, the part they're looking for is a pumped base with a flow plate.
Okay. The code is going to be GPP-0002-EA-C.
At Crowcon, we believe that it is important to empower the staff to find ways of developing themselves and seeking training. Therefore, we have provided an excellent HR system that allows people through RAPs and regular appraisals to seek that training.
3 radial bends up to 1.5 millimeters away from the edge of the body. That's it.
We aim to train our employees up on 4 or more products. This cross-training allows us to react quickly to customer requirements. We use a skills matrix to identify areas of improvement. Employees are encouraged to ask for extra training if required.
At Crowcon, we have a culture of continuous improvement where we encourage our employees to come up with good ideas to improve our products and our business processes. We do also provide training in Lean Six Sigma tools and techniques to ensure our team have all the tools available to them to drive the improvement. Key projects that we've undertaken recently in the business are the Business Process Mapping Project and the Showroom Manufacturing Project. The Business Process Mapping Project was undertaken with the objective to simply make Crowcon easier to deal with, remove all waste within the business and non-value adding activities, and also to improve the communications with all internal and external customers. There is a plan that's currently underway to implement all improvements from this project and transform the way our business operates. The showroom manufacturing project was undertaken to completely reconfigure our entire shop floor to allow one-piece flow assembly, the full implementation of Kanban and workplace organisation techniques such as 5S and visual management. This gives us the flexibility to deal with the change in customer demand. Our cross-training programme ensures our team can work efficiently and drive improvements in customer satisfaction.
I mean, it's 1%. Is it worth just trying to tail it down by 0.1%? 0.9, 0.8, 0.7 to try and squeeze us a little bit more?
The question is, if you've got figures where you're easily achieving the target, and every month of the year you've managed to achieve those figures.
It's a soft target.
It's a soft target, isn't it? We just need to do something about it. We need to challenge ourselves a little bit more. We've been looking at the bins and the ones in red here that we've got identified on the spreadsheet. They're the ones where we've increased the stock level, where we were seeing 1 or 2 shortages before.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
What's quite encouraging is that the number of bins that we've got out of stock has decreased.
So one of the first things that we did when we decided what markets we were going to approach was to look at all of the gas detection markets that were available to us. We then came up with a 2x2 matrix of target and priority markets that we look into. From that, we discovered that our priority markets were the oil and gas industry and also the utilities and chemicals. So those were the ones that we were really going to try and focus on. This is when the product managers come into play, speaking to customers and distributors to find out what it is the customers really want in those markets. So when they go off to site, one of the first things they'll ask the customers, if you had a magic wand, what would you really want from your gas detector? And they go to where the users are going to be. So if you're down a tunnel, perhaps you want to have a better backlight so you can see the gas detection readings better.
Hello, my name is Phil Tyler, Head of Quality. I'm just going to give you a brief overview of the tasks that we carry out. Goods and inspection. By performing inspection at the point of receipt, it allows us to ensure that the product we are using in our manufacturing process is correct to our internal specifications and to ensure we are falling within the certification standards. Out-of-box audits are completed on finished products. Each product has its own audit check sheet that is completed by the quality department. During the audit, the product is visually checked, functionally checked, and the accompanying paperwork verified. The process allows us to correct any issues before they reach the end user and to gather data that highlights any recurring events.
Here at Crowcon, we're passionate about making sure that our customers receive not only a top quality product, but a top quality service. From the moment a person comes into Crowcon, we really induct them into a culture where the customer is king. What you have to remember, and what we remind ourselves of every day, is we're making equipment that saves people's lives. From a production point of view, stability and repeatability is important. Our processes, our high quality standards, and our highly trained and multi-skilled technicians ensure that we can deliver a quality product exactly when our customers need it. Crowcon Excellence is a philosophy which basically means a commitment to exceptional performance in everything that we do, every day.